Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Lockjaw Manufacturing Arena for round 2 of Brinks versus Master Lock. Yes, round 2. Please pardon our graphics, people. This is the round of 40mm steel laminated, a process that the Master Lock company invented like 100 years ago. But let's look at the tail of the tape, shall we? The Brinks Model 172 versus the Master Model 3. Brinks gives us 4 pins. One less than the last round with the brass lock. Master also gives us 4 pins. They really like 4 pins. Brinks gives us 2,400 pounds of cut resistance, which is 400 pounds less, if I remember, than the brass lock for some reason. But we get maximum pry resistance from, I skipped one. We get better cut resistance with a 7mm shackle, which is 1mm more than the brass lock in the last round. We get 1,200 pounds of pry resistance, which is again less than the brass in the last round. Maximum pry resistance, you can't get more than that. It's maximum. Spring locking lug still with the Brinks. We've improved to a ball bearing locking mechanism with the Master. So if I were to say, based just on the overall lock product, Master looks like a better one. And finally, Brinks was made in China, packaged in the United States, and Master Lock was assembled in Mexico with US and global components. All right, let's take a look at the bitting. Looks pretty sawtooth on both of them, so say a draw in that department. All right, gentlemen, you know the rules. Open the package and attempt to open the lock. Whoever can resist the picking attack longest wins the round. Let's start with Master this time. Probably not going to be able to rake it with this bitting, but then again, I would have thought that about the Brinks in the last round, based on its bitting. Hopefully I don't get embarrassed again. Defeated by a Master Lock on film. Not this time. Hey, Brinks, you stand a chance. You're still in this game. You're up. Oh. Y'all can let me know down in the comments if you think Brinks won that, but I don't think it did. And in conclusion, this round, winner, Master number 3. And the loser, Brinks 172. Thank you very much for playing.